Okay, in this new video, we will be learning how to generate permutations using the Python programming language. For this demonstration, we will be using PyDroid 3. We open up that application from the Android operating system. The first step is use the from statement, and then we need to specify the module from we will be importing the function. In this case, iter tools. That module is part of the Python standard library. So we write from iter tools import permutations. Notice that the IDE help us with autocomplete the import of that function. Next, we create a variable. We can call it language and assign this string literal. We use simple quotes and write Python. Okay, that is the sequence. When we create permutations, we need to pass as an argument a collection, a sequence. For example, a tuple, a list, or an extreme variable like this one. Next, create a variable. We can call it result and assign the content of the permutations invocations. Permutations, open parentheses, the first argument is the collection. For this case, the contents of the variable language. Next, we need to specify the size for each permutation. For example, 2. We can iterate the contents of the permutations. The contents of the result variable is the set of permutations. So to iterate that, we need to use a for loop. So we write for p permutation in result. For each iteration, we print in the standard output device, ex the terminal, the content of the p variable, the iteration p variable. Finally, we click over the play button, the yellow play button, and we get the result. In the terminal, we are seeing all of the permutations that are generated from the Python string variable py, pt, ph, po, pn, etc. In the permutations operation, the order of the sequence is not relevant. Okay, if it's not relevant, observe this. OP, independent in the order is same as PO. Okay,